Hi, it's Sandra here from Creating Spain, and today I've got two cards for you. They are very simple, so I'm not going to be showing you how to make them, but I will be giving you the file for the flower design. So this is the first one, and it's very simply done. The flowers have been stamped, in my case, and cut out. Obviously, you're going to be printing them and cutting them out. And I coloured them in. In this particular case, I used alcohol markers. Very simple colouring, nothing very complicated at all. I've added a border which you might just about be able to see is done with the Sakura pen that I've recently got. It's a Stardust pen, clear ink and glitter. And it's very pretty, and I've taken a liking to it. So I've done just a little border just to finish it off. The thank you that I did on my silver bullet with a pen was one which has a gap actually in the letters. It's an outline letter. And so I also used the sparkly pen to do the inside of that. It just adds a little bit of glitz. And the flowers were just stuck on. So that is really simple to do. Classic, simple, clean line card. This is the other one I've done with the same flower design. So in this particular case, I made two border pieces to look as if they are meadows. The first one is stuck directly onto the card. The second one is raised up on foam. The thank you, again, I've put the glitter pen in the centre of the gold lettering this time, and my words, I actually cut down the card quite considerably. It was originally the same size as this one, but I wanted something a little more subtle on there, so I cut it down. Now in this case the flowers have been cut out, and the first one is glued onto the back and the two other ones are raised up on foam. The little meadow here is actually detailed with some dash lines, and I went on the silver bullet and I did those with my embossing tool, and then I went over them with the glitter pen. The embossing tool gives you the placement, so you get them nicely evenly spaced, and then the glitter pen just adds a little bit of shine and shimmer. So that's it. Two cards from the same file. You'll get the meadow cutout shapes and the flowers. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.